I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your stock car pop. First, consider what aspects you want to improve, whether it's aesthetics, sound, or driving feel. We'll cover various modifications that can significantly transform your vehicle without breaking the bank. Remember to always research local regulations and ensure any changes you make are safe and legal. Let's dive into some exciting ways to personalize your ride and make it truly stand out. To make your car visually pop, start with a thorough cleaning and apply a premium wax or ceramic coating for an incredible shine. Next, consider upgrading your wheels. A new set can dramatically change your car's profile. Look for options that complement your vehicle's style, perhaps with a 17-inch or 18-inch diameter. Adding a subtle body kit or a small spoiler can also enhance its sporty look. Finally, window tinting offers both style and privacy, often at a 25% or 35% VLT. For a noticeable performance and sound boost, a cold air intake is a great first step, allowing your engine to breathe more freely. Next, an aftermarket exhaust system can give your car a much more exciting and aggressive tone, often increasing horsepower by 5 to 10. A mild suspension drop, perhaps 1 to 2 inches, will improve handling and give your car a sportier stance. Don't forget braking. Upgrading to performance pads and slotted rotors enhances stopping power significantly. Don't overlook the interior. A deep clean and new custom floor mats can make a huge difference. Swapping out old bulbs for LED interior lighting provides a modern, crisp look. For those looking to improve their financial outlook, there's a fantastic resource available. Check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Finally, small personal touches like a custom shift knob or steering wheel cover can complete your car's transformation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.